Here is how to get the Berserker Stance in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. So first of all, I will show you how to get the Berserker Stance for Alliance and the Horde as well, so do not worry what character you have. You will find the timestamps on the screen and on the description as well if you want to skip this video to the exact point which you'd like. So that being said, let's get it started. To get the Berserker Stance, you must be at least level 30 with your warrior, because once you reach level 30 with your warrior, a new quest will begin and you can get it from the main cities, from Stormwind and Orgrimmar. And first of all, I'll show you how to get it as an Alliance character. So once you reach level 30, head to Stormwind in Old Town to the warrior trainer, because he will hand you a new quest which is named the Islander. So you'll have to get this quest, and now the hard part begins. You will have to travel all the way to the Barrens, which is located in Kalimdor and is near Ratchet, and I will show you how to get there if you have no idea. So for that, you will have to get first to Strangletor Valley, because in Strangletor Valley will arrive a boat which will take you from Eastern Kingdoms to Kalimdor in the Ratchet, and from there you will have just to swim because it's very close. So once you get to Ratchet, you can basically just swim your way all the way to the quest, and once you'll arrive there, you'll find an NPC to complete the quest from your trainer, and he will give you a new quest which is named the Affray. You will have to get this quest, and now you will have to complete it. You will have to get back to this circle and you have to fight few warriors. After you fight few warriors, you will have also to fight a boss, and once you kill him and all these warriors, you will have to get back to the NPC, complete the quest, and he will teach you the Berserker Stance, and that's all you have to do.
You need something? What can I do for you?
Now moving on the Horde side, to show you how you can do it from there, you will have to head to Durotar Orgrimmar, and in the Valley of Honor you will find the Islander quest at the warrior trainer. In the same way, you will have to accept it, then you will have to head to the Ratchet. You can take a flight from Orgrimmar straight to the Ratchet with the Flight Master, and once you will arrive in the Ratchet, it's the same path. You will have to swim all the way to the island and speak with the NPC, take the fight and complete the quest. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out on how to get the Berserker Stance in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. Thanks for watching, a comment will be much appreciated, and bye bye.